Hello. Okay, so we're at Disneyland, if that was not clear. Well, we're actually at Disney California Adventures. Yeah. We just went on the Grizzly River Run ride, and oh my god, we were doing so well the whole ride. Like, we got a few splashes, but we were fine. The other side was getting it. Like, they were getting soaked, and then the very last minute at the geyser, we just got absolutely soaked with water. And
my hands are sticking.
That was a good ride. I was so scared, but it was good. Oh my god, look at all of these pins. I freaking love pins. So, because I'm 12 years old, I want a picture with Woody, and we're waiting in line for him. So, Woody went to go take a break, and I was not willing to wait any extra time. So we left. Like, I'll wait for Mulan. I'll wait for frickin' Belle, but not Woody. So now we got our fast pass and we're gonna check out the Ferris wheel. So in about 30 minutes we're gonna board the Pixar Piers Ferris wheel, and then we're gonna go on the roller coaster.
Incredicoaster.
Incredicoaster.
Your viewers are gonna think I'm illiterate. English minor.
I'm so excited. We're about to go on that. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, that was... The Incredicoaster was so fun! So ugly. You can't even see it.
You're ugly.
It's not... Okay, so the Incredicoaster was the coolest ride ever. Normally I'm so scared of roller coasters and I lose my shit. But okay, and I was also feeling a little sick before, but we rode it and it was the best. Like, cause I think it was different because it was like, it's like a story and you're helping them with a mission, I guess. Okay, yeah. But it's like a story and it's so fun and it's the best roller coaster ever. Okay. And then I met Frozone. Guys, it's Boo. Oh shoot. Oh, they're about to square up. It's Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man. Oh my god. She's freaking out. It's her hero. So we just went on the Guardians of the Galaxy ride and it was great. So great. I have nothing bad to say. It's like one of those drop rides where you go up and down, but it's not just once. You go up and down a bunch of times and it's so fun. And if you go to Disney California Adventure, you need to go on it. That's the tea.
I like.
Hey, class of 2019, that's us. Put it on.
What side is it on? Is it this side? I don't know.
It's on, I think it's on the right. Class of 19, please move your tassels from right to left. Congrats, you graduated, you graduated, you graduated. Graduated. Never mind,
Did you graduate though?
I did graduate. Guys, I am attending Monsters University next year. It's 28 bucks, I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna save it for the ears. I want the ears. So sad. Goodbye. And fries and then a milkshake. It's definitely gonna slow me down, but I'm hungry, so now I'm He's talking about this damn pickle all day. Oh my god. What does it say? Oh, we love that.
We love saving the
And
planet.
Disney's Earth friendly. Okay, so now we're in Disneyland. We got the French one because there weren't any English ones left. But we're on Main Street. Tiffany's buying a pickle. We're headed to the Haunted Mansion.
Got my pickle.
Tiffany got her pickle. There it is. I'm gonna try Tiffany's pickle.
Oh, I'm full.
It's juicy.
It's a pickle.
That's so good.
This is all I wanted this entire trip.
I might have to get my own.
Yeah.
So good.
Are you having fun with? Uh-huh.
I'm gonna dry my hand.
Someone's gonna screenshot this and edit some shit in there. You really hit it at a bad angle.
That video of Queen Blackwell with her pickle.
Her hot pickle.
Her hot pickle. At my crib, we're at Cinderella. Oh wait, this is Sleeping Beauty's castle, right?
It's someone's castle.
We're at one of the princesses' castles.
I'm pretty sure this is Cinderella's, but they put some meeting stuff up.
Yeah, probably Cinderella's castle.
Look how pretty!
This vlog is gonna be like an hour long. Just kidding, I'll cut it down. But
No, she won't.
I don't know if anyone's curious, but I'm not really gonna record any of the rides unless it's like outdoors. Like the Haunted Mansion, I wasn't gonna record that because if you come here, you'll just have to experience it. Like I don't want to spoil it for anyone. You feel me? So I'll just describe the rides to you, and you're gonna have to believe me that a majority of them are good. The lighting is so good. Look at that. We're in Alice in Wonderland. Okay. So guess what? We just rode Splash Mountain. Again, really fun. I mean, all the ride really is the drop, but everything else is cute. They have little characters and songs and stuff. Yeah, recommend. Here you go. We're back for more. Which one do I want? This one? I kinda like this one. Okay, so we're gonna search up some food places because I don't want to pay $10 for a corn dog.
I might spend 15 bucks on that lobster roll. I really might. It sounds really good.
Not a good idea.
I have money today.
Look, can you open your nose? Yeah, can you? So we're at the Golden Horseshoe and we got the fish and chips. Okay. The fries are alright. Pretty good. Yeah. So, try the fish. Included. It's pretty good. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but it's good.